Hi, welcome to Basic Guitar lesson number 4 out of 7 lessons. Today we're going to learn the song Open the Eyes of My Heart, and it's in the key of D. I'm going to go quickly through the chords with you so you can kind of learn it. The first one is the D, which you're familiar with, and then the A, and then the G, and then there's a new chord called the B minor, and this is how you basically play it. You bar the whole second fret with your index finger, and then you add your middle finger to 3rd fret, the 2nd string, and then you're going to put your ring finger on the 4th string, 4th fret, and then your pinky on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and it should sound something like this. Let's just say that you tried to do the B minor, but you gave up, and I told you that you could transpose this from the key of D to the key of E and play it in a much easier way. Then that might sound like something you want to do. So sometimes people choose to do a key transpose because sometimes you can play it in a different key and it's easier to sing, or it might even be easier to play. So some people choose how to do that. So when you're trying to transpose the song from one key to the next, it's basically there's 6 letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and you can basically count whole notes to change it from one key to the next. So for instance, in our case of Open the Eyes of My Heart, if I take the D chord, I want to transpose it to the E, then D goes to E, which is one note, and I'll take every other letter that's in that song and transpose it one note up, so that the A will turn into a B, and then the G will turn into the A, and then the B minor that's new that you might not like will turn into the C sharp minor. Okay, so just follow that little chart right there, but this is how you would play these notes. So let's learn how to play the chords for Open the Eyes of My Heart in the key of E. So I'm down here on the 7th fret, which is the 3rd dot probably on your guitar, but you want to put your index finger on string number 5, fret number 7, and then you want to put your ring finger on string number 4 on the 9th fret, and then your pinky on the 9th fret on the 3rd string, and you basically hit the strings and it's to sound like that. What you're going to notice that all these chords are a little bit different. A lot of times you can play the same chord in different ways, and so this is an alternative, but you're going to learn and realize that this is the magic E, and then all the notes that come alongside that will be very easy to play. So this is your E. If you look and follow the diagram, all you have to do is release your index finger and that becomes your A. And then you're going to do your B, which is hitting the string number 6 with your index finger and then muting the string number 5, and that's your B. And then when you want to play your C sharp minor, you basically add your middle finger to the 9th fret, string number 6, and don't touch the string number 5. And you're going to realize that all these are very easy. So let's do a chord countdown. E, 2, 3, 4. A, 1, 2, 3, 4. B, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then C sharp minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now that you know how to play the notes, let's go ahead and play the song Open the Eyes of My Heart in the key of E, because we don't want to play the B minor. So you're going to see that this way is a little bit easier to play, but you can play it either way. Here we go. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. To see you high and lifted up. that's key transposing. Next week, I want to teach you another type of transposing, which is done with a thing called a capo. So I invite you to go and invest in a capo. I think it costs between about $15 to $20. This one's a Kaiser capo, and so please have that available for the next lesson.